Right now we have 10 770 John Deere graders, and they're basically on the road each and every day, either doing just regular road maintenance, grading roads. We use them to put down clay and build roads up.
The western side, we have a lot of hill roads, and the water runs down the hills, washes our roads out, washes the ditches out. We have to go in there and clean the ditches back out, back slope, fix all the washouts down the roads. In our hill roads, we have a lot of big rocks that stick up in the roads. Then you bust out the middle of the blades. You need a heavy duty machine to keep up with the terrain. John Deere makes a good machine for that.
You've got weather and time involved, and they all got to work out for you to stay busy and get what you need to get accomplished. And with the John Deere grader, we are minimal on breakdowns. One thing I really liked about the John Deere when I was operating it was the actual power of the machine itself. With the John Deere, you got some maneuverability out of it because of the strength of the mow board and the whole setup.
When you got a grader that you can rely on when you're grading a road and your mow board is full of rock and you need to spin it around to where you come up to an intersection or a driveway, and the John Deere has the hydraulics to spin the mow board around to where you can spread your rock, or you can carry it over the driveway and then spin it back around.
Another thing that I really liked about it was the visibility. I like the visibility in it, not having the post in the corner when I'm trying to watch the corners of my blade and everything. I really liked it. Being able to reverse the fan and clean the coolers out is a big plus for us, so our guys don't have to travel in 20 or 30 miles into our shed to come in and clean them out. Herb Equipment is actually our dealer here, and their service is second to none. With the way we work, our time, you can't be down. They're right in here and get it fixed and get us back up and going, and it's like we never miss a beat with them.